Here's the neighbor's property. I'm kind of standing in a little slight rapid of my own here, but you can see. You can see this was just a normal property here. So that's the street. Let's come down where our next subterranean garden, the bigger one, is being built. It's full, or it's getting full, because this busted through and went straight down into the pit. So we gotta shovel all that out again. And that's going down. That just happened. We'll see how it cuts through on the property later when it dries up. Oh, this is Sandra, the desert homesteader. We'll see you next time. Hopefully it'll be a little drier.